You know naman I struggled a lot to write a letter for you from the start. Napakahirap sa akin gumawa ng sulat or any messages for you because no words can describe how much I love you.
Si Jason kasi very consistent mula sa pagiging kaibigan. All throughout, hindi siya nagbago. Never siyang nag-failed magsundo, maghatid, kahit maghintay ng 5 oras sa isang araw para lang sunduin ako. Kahit thank you, wala man lang ako mabigay, okay lang. Hindi ko naramdaman sa kanya nag-take advantage siya. Dumating si Jason sa life ko kung kailan kailangan ko siya mismo.
Kailan? That was February 17, 2009, church event. I remind her beautiful smile and dimples. And I admire her because napakagaling niya magsalita that day. I remember na magaling siya mag-MC. Talagang siya yung host for that day. Tapos, we become friends for 5 years. And, on and off, kumbaga, on and off yung problema niya or the past relationships, andun ako. And, lagi akong, kumbaga, lagi ko siyang kasama every time for 5 years. Actually, walang sign na siya na. Walang ganun. Kumbaga, walang sign na, kumbaga, compatible na kami from the start.
Mahal ko. It's been 2,640 days ago since I took the leap of faith to open my heart again for love. To be honest, I was scared and full of doubt, yet I fervently pray that this is the will of God. And thanks be to God, because He answered my prayer.
Sa mama ko, thank you ma for everything. Nako, dito ata ako iiyak. Lahat ng sacrifices mo, ako yung bunga ng prayers mo. So, kung ano man ako ngayon, kasi yung intercession mo sa akin, ito, yung pag-achieve ko ng career, yung makakahanap ako ng lalaking mamahalin ako, eto ma. And I want you to know na yung bunso mo masaya. Kaya wala kang dapat ipag-alala. Kasi masaya ako. At mahal ako ng taong pinili.
No words can explain how happy I am to become your husband. How happy I am to be with you forever.
Like a castaway, what we wanted, not what we thought we wanted. Tossed in.
I promised to her na I will become a good father. I will become a good husband. I will become strong, even she's stronger than me. Lagi mo akong kasama. Every time. Lagi mo akong kasama. Lagi mo akong driver. Wherever you go. Kahit ako yung kahit na siya yung laging nandyan. Kahit ako yung laging late. I will become her driver forever. I will be a good husband for you.
God made our love story really extra special. Hindi ito eksena sa rom-com na may pa-fireworks, slow-mo, 360 camera moment feels. It is a gradual but consistent build of trust and friendship. Mula sa paghihintay mo ng ilang oras sa aming clinic at pagsundo sa akin hanggat sa makauwi ako ng safe. Your consistent care for me keeps growing and growing, and before I knew it had turned into love. A real kind, a God kind. Mahal, I love you for all of you are, and from this day, I offer myself to you mula sa aking nakaraan, sa aking ngayon, at sa lahat ng aking bukas. Aking tangga, my reward, my lifetime harvest. Gihugog mata ka, bisag unsaon, dili ta magbuha. Kabuwa, I love you.